Hey guys, welcome back. It is A Genesis with another video. First things first, thank you so much for joining me again. Either my next video or my next video, I'm gonna be doing a collaboration with a good friend. So subscribe right now so you can see who it is, because I'm pretty excited about it. We talked about it today and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. And it's my fucking first collaboration. But anywho, look, I got my nails done today, and throughout the video I talk a little bit more about it and I put her Instagram. You guys need to follow her. And if you're in Lakeland area and you want to do your nails, she's your girl. If you want bomb ass nails, she's your girl. Go follow her, go check her out. She does really amazing nails, like she did mine. So happy with them. So go ahead and check her out. You know, come back later on to see more videos in the collaboration. So if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe now, and let's get on to this makeup. Okay, so we're gonna get started on my makeup. I already have moisturizer, primer on, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go on to putting this Sugar Box Face shimmer stick in the shade 02 all over my face, just underneath my foundation, so you can still see a little bit of shine. Now I'm gonna take my Real Technique buffing brush, and I'm just gonna buff that into my face before I apply my foundation. You don't have to like blend it out so much, because we're gonna put the foundation on top and it's really gonna blend itself out with the foundation. So before the foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Mary Kay under eye corrector really quickly, and I'm gonna really, you know, color correct my face, because I had this ugly face before Christmas, and my face was just breaking out like never before. And now I have all these marks because I didn't leave my face alone. So now I have to color correct. I want to tell you guys something. I talked about it with you know, the lady today. I'm gonna be doing my first collaboration with somebody. Hopefully on my next video. I don't know. If it's not on my next video, it's gonna be on my next video, but it's gonna be up. So it's pretty exciting, you know. And by the way, I got these done today, finally. I've been wanting to get my nails done for so long, and I finally got them done. I'm gonna leave her Instagram somewhere in the screen. Go check her out, girl. Like, if you're in Lakeland, in Florida, Lakeland, or you're close to Lakeland, or you don't mind going to Lakeland to get your nails done, she is the best. Like, she rocks my nails like nobody else. Like, she's that good. So go hit her up, get your nails done with her, because she's the best. On to foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer of Milani. This one is in the shade 02 medium beige. I haven't used this in a while, and it's a pretty good foundation. I'm gonna be using a BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, and I'm gonna buff this into my face. This foundation is a really good full coverage drugstore foundation, and it's really freaking good. Like, I don't know why I haven't used it. Like, I've been stuck on the same products for the longest, but I was cleaning my my beauty space or whatever, and I found so many things. I was like, girl. So now I'm gonna be using this shade right here, and I'm gonna put it in the inner part of my cut crease. To apply the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. My dumbass forgot that I was recording. Damn it, that I was not recording. But anyway, I'm gonna take this shade right in here, and I'm also gonna be mixing it a little bit with this shade right here. And I placed it down here, and then I started making my way up to the crease, and I started blending them together, and that's where I left off. And then I realized that I was not recording, so my apologies. So down here, and then I worked my way up, and I was blending it here. The brush that I used to do that was the BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. Now I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush, and I'm just gonna start blending it. It doesn't matter, you don't have to blend the green in a lot, just really diffuse the purple out here. Just blend it out into nothing in the outer corner and bring it out into like the cheek area. And then this is all a lot of packing and blending, packing and blending. That's how you get the exact same blending that you want, the precise color. I like to make my eyeshadow colors look as the colors in the pan, if you know what I'm talking about. And I like to make them as blended as I can, so it's a lot of blending and a lot of packing at the same time. I'm sorry if you see the fucking white mirror. I need to get better. Now I'm going back in with the green and just packing it in again. And making sure they both blend in here. Now I'm just gonna blend them in together. And just packing in the purple again so you can really see it. And now the fucking inspiration for this is Hulk. You want to look like a Hulk. So now I'm gonna take this orange right here, and I'm gonna mix it with this one right here, and I'm gonna take those two eyeshadows in the number 7 BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna put it right up here, like in my inner corner and up here. I'm gonna blend the green and the yellow, kind of like orangey. Now I'm gonna be cutting the crease, and I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in the shade light medium, and I'm just gonna take it and put it in the back of my hand. I'm gonna be taking a flat brush, just pressing it all in there. And look up, make sure you have this little line to guide you. Now I'm gonna take that purple shade, and I'm gonna start blending that concealer in with the purple shade. Now I'm gonna take that green and I'm gonna put it against the purple, and I'm just gonna blend them out together. Now I'm gonna take that yellow and do the same thing. Now for the rest of the lid, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna be mixing it in with this shade as well, and I'm gonna put them together on my lid. This one is kind of like the rose goldy shade, so this one's the one that's gonna be right in here and blend it into that yellow, sort of orangey shade. Now I'm gonna take that gold shade and start packing it in the top and blending it down to that kind of like rose gold. And now for the brow bone, I'm gonna be taking this shade here. Now to continue on with my face, now that our eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with concealer. This one is by Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream. This one is in the shade Warm, and it is a little sample. I bought it in a bundle with the translucent powder. And I'm just gonna be putting this underneath my eyes, in my chin, over here, in my nose, and a little bit up here. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge from Real Techniques and I'm gonna start blending that in. Now to contour, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour, and I'm going to be using the shade in the middle, which is the shade Chocolate. And for this, I've been really loving the BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. I know a lot of BH, yes, they're really good. And I'm just going to take a little bit, and I'm going to start by stamping it all over my hairline and my contour, like placing or whatever, and then do the other side before we start blending. And then I'm going to go ahead and quickly do my forehead. Now I'm going to take just a little bit, I took too much, but I'm going to contour my nose and start blending and creating a nose. Want a fake nose. And then you're gonna do the little shiny thing underneath your lip and in the top of your lip to make them look fuller. I know I look like a clown, that's what the beauty blender is for. And I'm going to just tap over the nose and take off the excess. I just poked my lashes into my eye. And then do the same thing on the contour if it's too much. On the shin, I did put some in my chin and my jawline. To bronze up the face, I'm going to be using this Physicians Formula Bronzer Booster, and this one is in the shade Medium to Dark, and it's like a really pretty light bronzing shade with a little bit of shimmer. And for that, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. I've been using this collection to do my whole makeup lately, and I've just been loving it. They're just really good and really affordable. So, and I'm just going to run the Access powder through my nose. Now we're going to move on to blush, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Blush Trio. I'm going to use this shade Sugar, the one in the middle. And I'm just going to take that in a flower angle brush, and I'm just going to pounce that in top of the contour, in top of the thingamabobber, top of the bronzer. And then I'm going to put some in the bridge of my nose, just because, I don't know, I've been loving that lately. And then putting highlighter over it, and it looks. Now to highlight, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. This one is in the shade Precious Petals. And then I'm just going to connect it here so it looks really subtle. And then I'm going to take a little bit on my shin and a little bit on my forehead. And I'm gonna take some in the tip and then just put it in my nose. Like lately, I haven't been putting like a shit ton there like I used to, because I don't know, I just like the messy natural shit. I think it looks better, but that's just my opinion. Now to finish off the face, I am gonna be using my NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish, so it doesn't ruin my lashes. I'm gonna finish up my eyes. I'm gonna take this like orangey shade. I'm gonna intensify that inner corner and just that really pop of color. I'm gonna take that green shade and smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the purple shade and I'm gonna press it on there pretty close to the lash line and wiggling it, as you can see. Now I'm gonna be taking a pencil brush. This one is the BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and I'm just gonna be blending both of them in together. For my waterline, I used this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter, and it's supposed to be for your brows, but I used it for my waterline. So now for my lashes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York Lash Sensual Mascara for my bottom lashes. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using this bright orange lip gloss. This one is from the Color Workshop. It smells like grasa. The fuck? Cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the final look. I think I really like it because of the orange. It just speaks to me. I don't know, but she's a vibe. But anywho, if you guys don't mind, go ahead and you guys enjoyed my video, go ahead and like my video, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's it. See you guys on my next video.